So, I now want to ask some of the Linaro team and also some of our partners to come up and do a couple of demonstrations of some of the things I've been talking about. First, I'm going to invite Tony Zhang from LeMaker to come up and demonstrate the display I talked about earlier. Tony is from LeMaker, based in Shenzhen in China, and they have developed the first display kit with a display and integrated 96Boards mezzanine interface. It's a 7-inch display, 1280-800 pixels with a touch screen, and its target availability is in May. Tony, do you want to show it to us?
Okay, hello everyone. I'm Tony from LeMaker. And here I'll demonstrate the 196 mezzanine LCD kit for the HiKey. Okay, the mezzanine LCD kit have two parts. One is the adapter board, and one is the LCD display. And in my hand, this is an adapter board. And on the bottom, there are two connectors. One is for connecting the low speed on the 96 board. One is to connect the high speed of the 96 board. And on the front, there are three connectors. This one is to connect the LCD, and this one is to connect the display, to connect the touch screen. Now, and it is easy to use. We just connect the adapter board to the HiKey, and just like this, and then to power on the HiKey board with LCD. I'll demonstrate how it works. Now, because I have already set up this device, okay, and then we can. Okay, the LCD is already lit on, and I can show you just a little demo, play videos on the LCD, and to demonstrate the display performance of the LCD kit. Okay, thank you.
Thanks very much indeed, Tony. Very excited to have this product, and of course it will not only work on HiKey but also on Dragon Board and other 96Boards CE implementations. Next, I'd like to invite Yang Zhang, who's the director of 96Boards at Linaro. He's going to show some very early work that we've been doing on VR, and particularly the fact that we can develop and deploy on a single 96Boards $75 product. And in order to do this, he's going to be demonstrating using HiKey's 2 GB RAM CE board from LeMaker. He's using OSVR's headset and tracking devices, which are available off the web for those who want to at a relatively low cost. And the software here is the reference software platform with Debian and the OSVR VR stack, with the OSVR core and SDK, Mesa driver, OpenGLS 2.0, and Open Scene Graph. So, Yang, over to you.
All right. Okay. I hope you can hear me. So I'll be taking my glasses, so I won't be able to actually see you guys. Hope that's all. Okay. Right. So the reason why we're actually interested in this is because we are seeing adoption for 96Boards, and from basically everywhere. We have been contacted with our partners and developers to develop a wide range of applications. And now we're actually thinking about why we are focusing on the I/O control, and why don't we explore the boundary a bit, push the boundary a bit further, exploring some of the really interesting applications. So we look at, we know some of the partners are working on robotics, working on drone designs, I was thinking actually, we can actually bring this to the virtual reality as well. There you go. It's a very simple demo, but the core concept is be able to having all the tracking possibility and also the rendering and the 3D graphics in this demo. One of the key things behind this very simple demo is actually a very powerful concept. And for the first time, because normally when you're working on a VR application, you will be paying around $600 to $800 for the headset, which is closed designed. You were spending another $1,000 on a PC to actually get you started, be able to work on any application or any of the concept proof in the early stage. So the whole set of this has been developed with a single HiKey 2 gig RAM 96 board without any intervention of the PC. So this costs you $200. This costs you $75. There you go. So that's the whole set. Okay. So one of the things we are looking at is that in particular, we select this headset OS VR. It's an open specification of the hardware itself. Also come with the OS VR core implementation of the software stack. So again, end-to-end, fully open source, where community can take advantage of based on HiKey 96 boards.
All right. Thanks very much.